Hi and welcome, and in this video I will be giving you a breakdown of 10 businesses that you can actually do in Kenya with 30 Kenyan shillings. So stick to the end to get all of them, and you can also watch my other videos, the breakdown of 20k, 10k and 5k. Make sure that you also watch my playlist on how you can create passive income online. I have a full playlist there. You can also watch it. Finally, all I need from you is, if you're watching without subscribing, hit the subscribe button. It means a lot to me. It is free of charge to subscribe, and this will ensure that you get high quality videos and you get our videos on time. You'll be notified anytime we release a new video, and also it will help YouTube to recommend my videos more and more. So welcome, comment on the comment section. So now you have a 30k in Kenya. Actually in Kenya there's some people who usually earn this amount of money as their salary, so it's not quite bad amount of money to start something with. So one, you can do a mitumba, or the second hand clothes business, and we know that this business does very well here in Kenya. You can start with a bale. You can just start with one bale. A bale ranges from 8k depending on the quality, all the way I think to 18k if I'm not wrong, depending on the quality and also the type of clothes that you're selling. Make sure that you have identified your market gap in that area, and make sure that you're going with the season. Okay, yeah, so you can have a budget for 15k for the bill, then washing and repackaging 2k. Of course with that k you can afford to rent a small space, or you can rent a store in a market where the people usually pay monthly. Then a simple branding or banner for 1000, transport 2k, and other expenses are 2000. So a profit tip: sell your items via WhatsApp status, TikTok lives and on Instagram to cut on rental costs further. And actually you don't have to rent a place, you can just be taking your products in the market, and then you just pay the monthly payment for putting your products in the store. Then the second business is the mobile snacks or food vending. That is, you can sell things like samosas, chapati and sausage. So here is how you can break down your budget. Your gas cooker, maybe at an estimate of 5k. The sufurias, the pans and the spoons, you need 2k, and you can even get some from your home. The raw materials for cooking, 5k. A foldable table and an umbrella at 3k. A prawn and other hygiene supplies, 15k. Licensing and maybe health permit, 5000, depending on, of course, your county and other things. Initial location, rent, maybe if you're renting somewhere, 3k. Marketing, 1000, and other expenses, 4000. Then a profit tip: target busy streets, schools and garage areas. You can also do online freelancing, writing, virtual assistance or design. But now this is what I need to say about this one. With this one, with 30k, number one, you need a laptop. And of course with 30k you can get a second-hand laptop, a refurbished one, at between 15 to 20k. Then you need internet bundles that you'll be using monthly. Of course you need to set up your profile on Fiverr, on Upwork, and of course you need the skill, and in fact the training is the most important. Ensure that you get the skill, and of course you can have like a power bank and also airtime. This one may take time to so that you may start earning from it. Yeah, that is my honest opinion. I have worked online, I do work online, and I know it's not easy, it's not a get rich quick scheme, but it's worth it. So if you decide to go that, make sure that you give it time. Then you can do a grocery kiosk or fresh veggies and fruits, and with this one you can rent a small space or a small container or if you have somewhere, you can construct a small kiosk. Then make sure that you're supplying fresh vegetables and fruits. You can start with a budget of 8 to 10k, then a rental 6k, a wing scale, packaging, transportation, the license, branding, and many others. Then you can do the next business, homemade liquid and soap detergents. With this one, you can make them from your home and make sure you do supply them. You can market yourself in offices, like you can create a business card, then you start marketing yourself in offices, in banks, in supermarkets, all these places. Then you start delivering to them the soaps and the detergents. And here's the breakdown. You can do training online for free, or you pay someone 1500, raw material 7k, packaging 3k, the buckets, the jug, the gloves 2k, the business permit 3k, and all those items that you may need I have outlined there. Of course, you can do an upgraded mobile phone accessories business. You can get more stock or at 15k, a display table for 3k, a branded banner for 1k, permit for hooking 3k, umbrella 2k, and many others. Then you can sell near bus stages. In fact, these people, most of them, they sell near bus stages, universities or schools, or somewhere where it's just busy and where we have a lot of traffic. Then you can have a cosmetic and beauty products kiosk. Yes, you can start a small one. You can stock a few items like lotions, perfumes, soaps, and you can have a display stand of 5k, branding, promotion stickers, and many others. Then you can start a drinking water refill station, a small scale, where you can start with 20 liters water bottles, 5,000, tabletop water dispenser and fitting tap 2,500, like that, purification 2,000, like that. So with this one, you need to have Nema County the licenses because of the water, to ensure that whatever you're providing to people is it's of good quality. Yes, you can do this with small, very small scale. Then you can offer cleaning services at homes or offices, and you need to get your cleaning materials, brand yourself, have branded uniforms, have business cards, and then make sure you market yourself very well. And finally, you can do content creation on YouTube, TikTok, or even Instagram. We have seen brand influencers who do content creation, and then with the content creation, maybe brands can approach you and then you market their content. I think so. You need a smartphone, of course, a ring light. You may need green screen, but of course with this one you can just start with whatever it is that you have. So let me know, apart from these 10 businesses which I have mentioned here, which other business do you think that one can do with 30k in Kenya? Also, if you have not subscribed, subscribe, hit the subscribe button. It's for free and I will really appreciate. Okay, see